All right, welcome back to Jam Millionaire Repair. Something a little different today. I recently acquired this keyboard. Boop, 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 boop. I cannot play. Um, I had to find a power cord for it, and I plugged it in. I got nothing. Dead. I jiggled the power connector right here, and it started working. Okay, so something inside this case. And then I turned it off and walked away, and it hasn't worked since. So, we are going to open this up and see what's inside. Hopefully it's just a solder joint here or something that we're not getting power. So, alright, let's do that. I don't know how to play piano or keyboard or any of that, not talented that way. I have an 8-year-old granddaughter who can't seem to keep her hands off a keyboard, so I want to give her one. Not really a Christmas present, just a toy for her to have. We'll give her headphones so she can play without mom and dad going crazy. She's mildly autistic. And, well, you know, like any kid, you want to offer them the opportunity to do something. Maybe she'll love it so much and say, Mom, can I have piano lessons? Maybe. I'm hoping I just have to remove the outer screws and that the inside screws are holding circuits and whatnot. I don't know. Okay. That's a big fat fail. Got these holes here. Right here's one. Here's one. Oh no, there's a battery. You can stack batteries in here, so you can run it on battery. And one of the batteries was exploded in here. There may actually still be a battery stuck down in there. I don't know. Okay. So nothing budged. So I'm going to keep taking screws out. Probably didn't need to take the peel off, but okay. This is a Casio, what's it say? Casiotone CT Charlie Tango 360. One more. Come on now. Come on. Okay. Sorry about that. Trying to find how this thing peels apart here. Get a screwdriver in there and pry it up. Don't have any other screws along this edge. nothing down in the battery compartment. It does kind of wrap around underneath the keyboard here, so I'm not sure how it comes apart. We'll just drop it a few times. That's a keep it in tune. I don't think it works that way. See if we can get a little persuasion action going here. Can always break the plastic. Oh, that looks good. Let's keep doing that. Yeah. All right. Okay, so let's try a screwdriver here. All right, good. Good. Come on. Come on, baby. Doesn't that want to cooperate? All right. Oh, that's what that looks like. All right. You can kind of see the cut crud and corrosion right here from the battery. I'll get in here and clean all that out. And our problem is on this circuit board here. So I think I'm going to pull that board out and see if we can fix that jack. Maybe I just need to resolder it here. Let me take a closer look here. Okay, so there's something rattling around in here. Let me shake it. So, just battery acid everywhere, huh? Okay, well. All right. I take these boards out of here, see what we get. Okay. smallest bit I have. Where is it? There you go. So I figure if I can get this thing working for free, I had the power supply, found it in a stack of other power supplies. You know, a little girl might find that handy. Let me tell you a little story from when I was a kid. My Uncle Ed, my mother's brother-in-law, was it was the 70s, so we can call it what it is, a garbage man. Come around, pick up the garbage. He would bring me old radios that people threw out, electronics that people threw out, for me to take apart. Just like I'm doing right now. Now, my mom was always afraid that I would plug one of them in and burn the house down. But I was allowed to take them all apart to see what was in there. Toasters, AM radios, FM radios, cassette decks, cassette tape decks. Just all sorts of stuff. It was garbage. People threw it out, you know. And why not? So that was really nice of him. I always liked him for that. Well, that's unnecessary, okay. Well, I don't know how to get around this damn board. Here we go. Really. There's two more screws right down underneath this board, on this board, keeping this board in place. Can't get to them, damn it. I have to go get me a stubby screwdriver. Wonder what year this thing was made. Looks like 87. That explains it. So far, what have you seen me do? Remove a bunch of screws, right? People sometimes are afraid to take on a project or try to repair something that is broken for fear of breaking it. And this is a fear I've never understood, because I have news for you. The thing's already broken. okay, there's a 99% chance you'll make it worse. But maybe, just maybe, you can fix it. So for the just maybe, and keep it out of the landfill for crying out loud, don't you think you ought to just try fixing it? Is it gonna hurt? Feels like I'm missing a screw here. I should lift up with me. I don't have enough cord. Alright, talking to myself. What is it? Guess it was just stuck down in there. Oh. There's your problem. The knobs are still on it. So, problem solved. Darn it, I was hoping this power connector was going to be on a pigtail that I could take and remove it. Shoot. So the problem is this connector here is bad. How can I fix that? I could cut the wires, solder it right onto that bad boy. You just can't unplug it. Here's the strange part. The power switch is way over here to turn the thing on and off. I thought maybe that's a problem too. They did not make this thing serviceable. Well, let me think about this for a little bit. All right, got the soldering iron out. I'm going to just try to solder these connectors, just reflow the solder a little bit. This iron might not be hot enough yet. I don't think the connector's my problem. I think the power supply itself is the problem. I'm gonna go get some solder. Okay, well, that's a resolder. I don't think it's going to solve anything because I think I found my problem. I think my power supply here so you see the inner wire here? Right here. The center conductor is tight. It's got a ground to it. But its outer diameter is much smaller than the inner diameter of the connector I'm using. So you plug it in, and it's all the way in, and I just have a ton of play on here. But it did turn on here. Oh, well, that's working good now. Okay, rock two. Eagle. Turns off. There's a hum because there's probably a floating ground from me unscrewing things. All right, that may have fixed it. I'm gonna plug it back together and see how we did. One more screw. I have an extra screw. All right, rewind. Tell me where it goes. Well, if you don't have any extra screws, you did too good of a job. Dang. All right, let's plug it in. See what it does. Okay, have it turned off. Plug it in. Nothing. Got no power. So you jiggle it around, power light comes on. So same problem, didn't fix anything. The rhythm section here isn't working. When I tried it the first time, all of these buttons were working. Hello. right. Bummer. So, the problem is the connector hole is larger than the pin here. Darn it. Okay, there's two little tabs inside this connector. I just bent them in a little bit. See if that works. Got power. Tempo up. Good enough. Something different to watch, I guess. You now know, if nothing else, what the inside of a Casio Casiotone CT360 looks like. Goes the other way. All right, wash it up, put it back together. My granddaughter's gonna have her some fun. Thanks for watching. The Suzuki is right over there. The Suzuki is right over there. Waiting for a few parts to come in, and we're going to start working on that guy. So, thanks for watching. Have any questions, opinions? I'll answer whatever I can. Click subscribe. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, please. And till next week. Bye-bye.